So, is the computer useless without the operating system? Exactly. Every computer needs an operating system to function. There are a number of operating systems available today. Some famous ones are Unix, Linux, Windows 9X, Windows XP, Windows NT, Windows 2000, Windows 8, Windows 7, Android, Macintosh OS. All these operating systems have some unique features. Android and Windows 8 are also used in mobile phones. So, now can you guess which operating system are we using in this computer? Right, we are using Windows 7. Windows family of operating systems is the most popular operating system. This is made by the Microsoft Corporation of the United States of America. To know the version of a Windows operating system, go to the desktop and right-click on Computer. Select Properties. Here you can see the name and version of the Windows operating system. Operating system can be user-friendly with many icons and images, or it can be just text or characters based. Based on this feature, operating system can be categorized into two types: Character User Interface or CUI, Graphical User Interface or GUI. Look at the following images. First image does not have any icons or images. It has only text and characters. Hence, it is called Character User Interface. We perform any task on CUI by giving commands in text, such as rename, CLS, CD, MD, and dir, or directory. Example of CUI is Disk Operating System or DOS, or DOS. Now, look at the second image. This image has a background picture as well as many icons. Hence, we call it a graphical user interface. Examples of GUI are Windows XP, Windows NT, and Windows 7. Let us know more about Windows 7. Look at the GUI of Windows 7. This interface makes it easy for you to interact with the applications that you want to use. It also helps you to choose programs and keep them organized. Windows are a WYS, WYG kind of graphical user interface. Means, what you see is what you get. If the operating system on your computer is Windows, the first screen that appears after switching on the computer is the desktop. The desktop is similar to the top of our desk. As we can keep all the things like a pen to write, brushes to paint, calculator, and alarm clock on our desk, we can use the Windows desktop to keep all the applications and utilities organized in the computer. The desktop is divided into two areas: the main area or the desktop and the taskbar. The narrow strip here at the bottom is called the taskbar. The taskbar contains a start button that we can use to access all the programs of the computer. You can also pin various programs to the taskbar as icons that can be used to quick access of the programs. The taskbar has a clock at the right side. The desktop has a background. The background is called the wallpaper of the computer. We will learn more about using desktop in the next session. Let's summarize what we have discussed in this topic. Operating system is an interface between user and computer that enables the user to effectively use the system resources and access other programs. Windows operating system is the most popular operating system. Operating system can be categorized into two types: Character User Interface or CUI and Graphical User Interface or GUI. The desktop is divided into two areas: the desktop and the taskbar.